A light magnitude 2.7 earthquake occurred in the Philippine Sea 104 kilometers, 65 miles from Indonesia in the late afternoon of Monday, May 12, 2025 at 7:14 p.m. local time, GMT+8. The quake had a very shallow depth of 3 kilometers, 1.9 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, PHIVOLCS after 11 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.